Possession, Team Lena. Boktoy. Jumps on the baseline. Wala yan. Nakuha yan ni Mendoza. Arlo. Dribbling the ball. To Mendoza. Fires the three. Short. Recovered. Knee. And the shoot. Eduardo puts it in. Ating score. Sampang looking for his teammates. Finds Umangin. Steal by Eduardo. Eduardo and a steal by Sampang. Boarding. Wala yan. Rebound ni. Cross Limbo. Arlo. Turning up. Finds Mendoza. Jumper using the board. Overshoots. Rebound by Umangin. Umangin to Boktoy. Boktoy. And almost a steal. Boktoy steal. Behind the back pass. Losing the ball. Turnover. Carlos setting up the play. 13 to shoot. Mendoza. Fires. Puts it in. Number 7. Fires, wala. Recovered. Puts it in. Arlo. Ready to shoot. And to shoot. And a steal. Puts it in. Marana. All four tayo. Mendoza to Carlo. Carlo drop pass to Eduardo. Eduardo pass to the wrong man. And Marana, number 15. Easy jumper. Puts it in. 6-4. Ating score. Eduardo forcing the offense, puts it in. Umangin. Looking for his teammates. Finds Boktoy, spins, penetrates, and a foul. Who's foul rep? Number 19. Ilimbo. There's one goal. All 6 ang ating score. Second one, yes, good. And si Limbo spins, forcing the offense. Natabig yung bola, and a steal. By the Team Lena. Team Lena to Boktoy. Behind the back pass, ang ganda. Puts it in, Marana. Mendoza fires the free. Overshoots. Rebound ni Eduardo. Eduardo penetrates in the paint. Won't go. Rebound na yan ni Boktoy. Pass to Sampang. Using that board. Overshoots. Rebound ni Eduardo. Eduardo. 6 minutes in this first quarter to Mendoza. To Mendoza, number 20. Using that board. Overshoots. Recovered by Limbo. Wala pa rin yan. Rebound by Boktoy. Boktoy, number 7. Penetrates. Short ang tira. Rebound. Recovered and steal by the Humo. Humo. Turnover tayo. Same ball possession. 13 to shoot tayo. 10 to shoot tayo. Umangit. 8 to shoot. Sampang. Force in the offense. Ayan. 9-6 ang ating score in favor of Team Lena. 5 minutes, 26 seconds. Pass to Evardo. Evardo forcing the offense. Finds Mendoza at the corner 3. Pulls the trigger. Puts it in. All 9 tayo. Umangit. Hinaharas ni Mendoza. Humangit. Looking for his teammates. Setting up the play. 15 to shoot. Marana, number 13. Fakes. Finds Sampang at the baseline. 9 to shoot. Maranan. 5 to shoot. Sampang. Pulls the 3. Wala yan. Ayan eh. Turnover tayo. All 9 ang ating score in this first quarter of 4 minutes 36 remaining. Ardo looking for his teammates. Finds Mendoza. 4-3. Won't go. Recovered by Limbo. Forcing the offense. Won't go. Rebound number 27. Number 27. Sorry, 20. Tuloy yan. Tuloy yan. Bokloy. Bokloy. And there's an offensive. Foul number 7. Okay. Shot lang, okay. 22 seconds. Evardo. 17 seconds. Carlo. Takes. Pulls. Overshoots. Recovered. Wala pa rin. Rebound ni Humangit. Humangit. Nagdadala ng bola. So Sampang. Sampang penetrates. Overshoots. Out of bounds. Mendoza forcing the offense, penetrates. Wala yan. Rebound ni Limbo. Limbo to Mendoza. Pulls the trigger. Short. Rebound niya ni Marana. 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 Penetrates. And a score. And one basketball. 11-9 ang ating score. Maranan will be who's foul?
25.
Number 5.
25.
Number 25, sorry. Maranan for his free throw. Wala yan. Wala.
Wala.
Carlo. Naras ni Sampang. Carlo still. Carlo. To Limbo. 13 to shoot. Pulls the 3. Short. Rebound by Mendoza. Mendoza still. 7 to shoot. Same ball possession tayo. Seconds. Evardo looking for an open man. Finds Mendoza. Mendoza, 2. Wala pa rin. Nakuha yan ni Boknoy. Boknoy. Penetrates. Well defended basketball by Carlo. Number 17. Foul. Ah, 77. 77 yung number ko, Carlo, no? 77. 17. Iba na yung foul. Carlo, pulls the 3. Short. Out of bounds. Ball will be in possession of the Team Lena. 11-9 ating score in favor of Team Lena. 2 minutes. Steal by Carlo. Carlo finds Eduardo, penetrates, puts it in. Well, 11. Boktoy looking for his teammates. Finds Sampak. Sampak, number 19. Setting up. Pass to Maranan. Spins, fades. Number 13, Maranan steal. 10 to shoot. 8. 7 to shoot. Ehumo pulls the 3. Short, recovered by Sampak. Wala pa rin yan. Rebound na yan ng team. That bad. 11 all tayo. Eduardo. Pass to Carlo. Carlo. Drop pass to Limbo. And a steal by Humangit. Humangit. Humangit penetrates. Pass to Sampak. Puts it in. 13-11 ang ating score. Ako pa sa steal. Ayan na si Eduardo. To Mendoza. Pulls the 3. Short. Overshoots. 10 to shoot. Carlo. Mendoza. 6 to shoot. 4. 3. Yan. Nakuha yan ng Team Lena. And a steal by Team Badbad. Mendoza for the 3. Puts it in. 14-13 ang ating score in favor of Badbad. Maranan. Maranan. To Boktoy. Boktoy. Cooking. Fires. Rebound na yan ni Eduardo. And a loose ball. Turnover. 17 na lang tayo. 15 to shoot. Boktoy. Penetrates. Wala. Recover. Sampang. 9 to shoot. Loose foul. Number 90. Sampang. Sampang will be enjoying his bonus. Puts it in. First one is good. 14 all ang ating score. The second one. One go. Rebound na yan ng team. 7 to shoot. 5. Buzzer na lang maririnig. And that ends the first quarter of this game. 14 all ang ating score. Right back to the high court. This time is brought to you by Coco Lemon, Shop or Fridays, and Easy Minimum. Tubig. May free water dito. May tubig. Right. Back to the hard court. We are now in the second quarter of this game. Our score is 14 all. We are on the quarterfinals between Badbad and Team Lena. Team starts. Glenn, was Glenn, Carlo. Carlo setting up the play, 17 to shoot. Finds Eduardo. Eduardo, natapik yung bola. And to shoot. Ubalili, jumps, overshoots, rebound ulit ng team. And who's foul? Ay, out of bounds. Walang foul, out of bounds lang. Glenn was going inbounding the ball. Pass to Balili. Jumps. Overshoots. Rebound na yan. Alright, turnover. Maranan. Setting up. Finds Sampang at the baseline. To Bokboy. Fakes the three in the paint. Pulls. Over short ang tira. Rebound na yan ni Eduardo. Carlo crossing the midcourt. Setting up the three. Finds Legaspi. Pulls the three. One go. Recovered by Balili. One go pa rin yan. Rebound na yan ni Maranan. Two. Number puts it in. Number 3. Beautiful layup. Number 3. Subukan na kasi. Harlow jumps, puts it in. Harlow. Maranan, number 3. Cooking. Jumps on the baseline, puts it in. Our score is 16-18 in favor of Team Lena. Glenn fakes, jumps on the paint, puts it in.
Pareho silang ano na.
Setting up the play by Rebukan to Bokboy. Rebukan pulls the 3. Airball. Out of bounds. Ball will be in possession of Dalpad. Arlo setting up. Finds Boss Glenn. Pass to Balili. Back to Boss Glenn. 10 to shoot. Arlo forcing the offense. Using that board. Short ang tira. Rebound na yan ang Team Lena. To Rebuka. Number 3. Flies. Short ang tira. Sayang. Gardo almost losing the ball. Winds, Legaspi, nataping ang ball, 15 to shoot. Boss Glenn again, puts it in. 20-18 ang ating score. Bokboy, dribbling the ball. 14 to shoot. To Caleb, to Rebukan, for the 3, overshoots. Substitution. Pasok. Walk tayo out. Napanalin. 20-18 in favor of Dadbad. We are now in the second quarter of this game. 6 minutes 47 left. Boss Glenn forcing the offense. Pass to Balili. And a steal by the Team Lena. Got it. Of lifting violation. Boss Glenn. Pass to Legaspi. Using that board. Wala yan. Rebound by Maranan. JC Maranan penetrates. Floater. Rebound Eduardo. Eduardo crossing the midcourt. Eduardo 16 to shoot. Spins, Balili, short, recover, and a foul. Who's fouled up? Number 15. Balili will be in the line for his bonus. First throw won't go. Second one is Seal. Didn't go. Rebound na yan ni Maranan. JC Maranan. 2. Rebukan behind the back pass. Steal by Legaspi. Legaspi 2. Sirin by Eduardo. 22-18 ang ating score. Caleb. Dadala ng bola. 16 to shoot. Number 24. Number 24. Forcing the offense. 9 to shoot. 7 to shoot. And a steal by the team. Dodgebot. Na pass to Carlo. Back to Glenn. Ulit Aspi overshoots. Rebound na yan ni Puts it in. Time out. Glenn. 24 ang ating score. 24. 24-18 ang ating score. 5 minutes remaining in the second quarter. In favor of Team Dodgebot. Back to the ball game tayo. Our score is 24-18 in favor of Team Dodgebot. Team Lea Caleb setting up the play. 16 to shoot. And a steal by the team. Dodgebot to Glenn. Glenn, pass to Carlo. Carlo jumps. Overshoots. Rebound na yan eh. Legaspi. And a foul. Who's foul rep? Number 15. Second personal foul. Caleb. Substitution tayo. Sige, pasok. Pasok na. Legaspi will be shooting his free bonus. This one won't go. And the second one didn't go, and recovered by the team. Team Dodgebot finds Glenn. Drop pass to Michael. Puts it in. Michael, number 7. Okoy finds Sampang at the baseline. What a strong offense shot by Sampang. Legaspi, drop pass to Balili. Pulls the trigger. Short. Recovered by Balili. And a traffic violation. JC Maranan penetrates. And a score. 22-26 ang ating score. Legaspi foul. 23. Number 23. Maranan. Bonus shot is good. Pass Glenn. Pass to Michael. Inaharas ni number 24. Rebukan. 14 to shoot. And a steal by the team Lena. Okoy, number 7, penetrates, puts it in. And 6:25 ang ating score. Eduardo forcing the offense. Won't go, rebound by Rebukan to JC Maranan. JC Maranan. 17 to shoot. To Sampang. Sampang spins at the baseline. Puts it in. Balik ang kalamangan sa team Lena. 26-27. 2 minutes, 34 seconds. That pass kay Balili. Pulls the 3. Overshoots. Rebound ni Michael. To Legaspi. Wala pa rin yan. Rebound by Maranan. Maranan to Rebukan. To Doktoy. Doktoy. Straight to the basket. Short. Recovered by Sampang. Wala pa rin yan. And who's foul rock? Number? Number 8. Time out. Team Deadpan. Our score is 26-27.
Hindi pa.
26-27 in favor of the team Lena. 2 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Right back to the hard court. Our score is 26-27 in favor of the team Lena. Sampang will be in the line. Meron ba kayong isang time? Ay, wala na dito, no? Wala na time out ang Deadpan. Meron pa sa Lena isa. Second one. First one go. Second one, wala pa rin. And recovered. Recovered by the team. Lena, rebukan. Floats, pero wala yan. Rebound by the team Deadpan. Pass to Balili, jumps. Using that board, wala pa rin. Recovered by Mendoza. One go. Kaya rin JC Maranan. Maranan. Looking for his teammates. Fine. Number 3. 14 to shoot. Penetrates. Wala pa rin. Recovered by Sampang. Wala pa rin. Sampang steal. Puts it in. 29-26. Balik ang kalamangan. Kalawang pa rin ang Lena. Mendoza. Step back. Short. Rebounds by Sampang. Sampang to Rebuka. Drop pass kay Sampang. Wala pa rin yan. Rebound by Michael. 1 minute remaining. Pass to Malili. Spins. Natapik. Michael forcing the offense. Won't go. Rebound by JC Maranan. 57 seconds. Maranan penetrates. Short. Wala pa rin. Rebound by pass to Balili. Short ang tira. Recovered by Balili. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 4. And a steal by
39 seconds na lang.
pasok yan kay Carlo.
Wala na to, ano na.
15 to shoot. Sorry. 30 seconds na lang tayo. 28-29 ang ating score. Rebukan. Sampang. To Rebukan. Behind the back. In the paint. Forcing the 3, won't go. We only have 15 seconds left in this second quarter. 10 seconds na lang tayo. Buzzer na lang maririnig nyo. Number 4 for the 3. 2 points lang pala. 2 points lang. And that is the second quarter of this game. 30-29 ang ating score in favor of the team Deadpan. We are now in the second half of this game. Biglang lamang ang team Deadpan ng 1 point.
Cancel daw yung ano. Yung nasa...
Play by USB drive.
We are now in the second half of this game. Change court na tayo. Back to the ball game.
Sa linggo daw, 1 p.m. Sabi niya SM daw.
Alright, bola na ng Team Lena yan. Team Lena, Caleb, inbound with the ball. To Boknoy. Boknoy, dribbling the ball. Fires the three, won't go. And a steal by the team. Lena. Caleb, and a foul by number 25. Navardo. Caleb. Inbounding, ball, 2.
Hindi magsiksikan.
Rebukan, to Sampang, back to Rebukan. Rebukan. To Sampang, push! Puts it in! 2 points yan. 31-30 in favor of Team Lena. Mendoza, faking the pass, finds Limbo, pulls the trigger. In and out ng bola, rebound pa rin yan ni Bardo. 9 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds. 6. And a steal by the team. Lena. Rebuka. Straight to the basket. Puts it in. 33-30 yung ating score. Limbo. To Mendoza. Fires the three. Short ang tira. Rebound by Humangit. To Rebukan. Rebukan. Fakes. Finds Sampang. Overshoots yan. Rebound na yan ni Eduardo. Eduardo. Eduardo almost losing the ball. To Limbo at the baseline. Forcing the offense. Rebound by. Out of bounds. Ball will be in possession of Team Lena. Humangit. Pass to. And a foul by Mendoza. Sampang will be the line for his bonus. First one go. Second one won't go still and recovered by the team. Lena, inaras ni Mendoza. Humangit, Humangit. Crossover, forcing the offense. Out of bounds. Ball will be in possession of the team that had a loose ball.
Kalma lang ba? Kalma.
Right in front of Caleb to Boknoy. 30-33. Lamang pa rin ang Team Lena. Caleb faking. Pulls the three. Puts it in. Rebound. Wala pa rin yan. Wala pa rin ang Team Dadbad. Wala pa rin. Recovered by Limbo. 32-36 ang ating score. Nice steal yan ang team. Ayan si Mendoza. Mendoza. Pulls. Rebound by Humangit. Humangit to Caleb. Hinaharas. Caleb. Ayan. Substitution tayo. Substitution. Ibukan out Rabanalin. Bola pa rin yan ng team Dadbad. Mendoza to Eduardo. Easy jumper. 34-36 ang ating score. In favor of Team Lena pa rin. Number 7, Boknoy. Boknoy still forcing the offense in the paint. Short, recovered. Out of bounds. Substitution. Pasok, pasok. Mendoza. Our score is 34-36. Lamang pa rin ang Team Lena. Limbo, 40 to shoot. Mendoza to Evardo on the baseline. Walang bola. Recovered. Drop pass to 5 to shoot. Imbo for the 3. Wala yan. Na-rebound na yan ng team. Lena. Behind the back dribble. Wala. Recovered by Sampang. Sampang penetrates. Easy jumper. 34-38 ang ating score. Mendoza fires. Medina pulls the 3. One go. Recovered. Substitution. What's foul rep? 25. Oh.
7.
27. Number 7. Sorry, number 7.
7.
Wala pa rin yan ang team Dadbad. Nakatapig yung bola na bola ni Medina. Balili pulls the 3. One goal. Rebound by Mendoza. Mendoza pulls. Wala pa rin yan. Rebound pa rin na Team Lena. Boknoy. Nagmamadali. Nagmamadali yan. Nakuha pa rin ni Boknoy. Libre si Sampang. Puts it in. 40-34 ang ating score.
Marunong ka mag-ikot. Hindi ako.
Ayan na, si Balili.
Ikot-ikot mo lang muna. Sundan mo lang yung bola. Yun mo. Sundan
Wala na yan ng Team Lena.
mo. Yan.
Almost a steal. Boknoy. Boknoy steal. Speeds. In the paint. Puts it in. Mendoza. Substitution. Who's foul up number 0? Also number 0. 4 minutes remaining in the third quarter. 34-43. Evardo puts it in. Baseline shot by Evardo. 36-43 ang ating score. Boknoy forcing the offense and there's a foul. Who's foul? Number si Mendoza ang na-foul. Number 20. Umangit. Tumaranan. Sampang. Umangit. Seal. Maranan. Find Sampang at the baseline. Sampang 14 to shoot. Rabanal 10 to shoot. Boknoy penetrates. Puts it in. What a beautiful penetration by Sampang. 45. That's a traveling violation. Alright, inbounded ball, Team Lena. 45-36 ang ating score. 3 minutes, 27 seconds. Team Lena, humangit. And a steal by the Team Dadbad. Wow, sayang. Libre ang tira. Arlo, parang hindi pumasok. Boknoy speeds, jumps. Wala yan. Rebound by Estorab. Number 13, pushing foul. JC Marana. Vardo penetrates in the paint. Puts it in. 38-45 ang ating score. Sampang forcing the offense at the baseline. Hinaras ni Mendoza. Sampang finds Rabanal to Boknoy. Boknoy to Sampang. Miscommunication. Substitution ba? Wala pa. Sige. Mendoza. Pulls the 3. Short. Rebound by Mendoza. Number 23. Mendoza, number 20. 10 to shoot. Pardo. Finds a Pardo at the baseline. Puts it in. 40-45 ang ating score. JC Maranan losing that ball. To Mendoza for the three. Wala, pinasa kay Mendoza. Push, overshoots. Same ball. Substitution tayo. Same ball possession will be substitution. Pasok na. Pasok, pasok, pasok. One minute, 57 seconds remaining. Eduardo pulls the three, short. Rebound na yan ng Team Lena. Libre na, si. Puts it in by number 0, Rabanal. Forty. 15 to shoot. Number 3. Rebukan. 10 to shoot. Rebukan. Finds Rabanal. For the 3. Short. Wala pa rin yan. 1 minute remaining in the second quarter. Gadbad. Carlo. 40 to shoot. Wala pa rin yan. 10 to shoot. Eduardo forcing the offense and a score. 42-49 ang ating score. Nag-steal ulit ng Team Gadbad. Eduardo penetrates in and out. Rebound na yan ni Boktoy, number 7. Boktoy penetrates. Natapin yung bola. O yan ni Carlo. 22 seconds to shoot. Legaspi puts it in. Eight to shoot na lang. Number 91. Number 25, foul. Penalty na, penalty. Penalty situation draft. Our score is 45-49 in favor of Team Lena. First one is Aawa. And the second one won't go. 8 seconds to shoot. Boktoy! Yes, sir! And that ends the third quarter of this game, 46-51 in favor of Team Lena. Lamang na. Up. Lamang ang 5 points ng Team Lena. We are now in the last quarter of this game between Team Lena and Team Gadbad. Our next game will be between Team El Toro and Team Ballers Boys. And our last game will be between Team Ipos Lasers and Team United Ballers. And this time is brought to you by Friday's Coco Lemon, Easy Mart, and Capo Reyes. Ball will be in favor of Team Gadbad. Our score is 46-51 in favor of Team Lena. We are now in the last quarter of this game. Arlo, Limbo, Legaspi pulls the 3, short, rebound by Mendoza. Drop pass to Legaspi, ang ganda ng pasa. Wala yan, rebound by JC Paranan. JC Paranan penetrates in the paint, speeds. Rejected, and there's a foul out of bounds. Maranan, pass to Boknoy. Boknoy, pulls. Overshoots, rebound by JC Maranan. Sampang, floater, recovered. Wala pa rin yan. Rebound ni Carlo. Carlo still. Behind the back pass to Limbo at the baseline. Kulang bola. Same ball possession. Substitution, pasok. Carlo now inbounding the ball. Post Glenn. Post Glenn fires the three. Puts it in. 3 points by Post Glenn. Allen, what a beautiful sidestep and a score. $49-53 ang ating score. Osglen, nataping ang bola. Same ball possession. Out of bounds. Osglen. Drop pass to and a steal by Rebukan. Rebukan, pass to Boknoy. What a beautiful layup by Boknoy. Mendoza, pulls. Wala yan, recovered by Evardo. Puts it in. Number 19, Sampang, forcing the offense and a foul by Legaspi. Number 23. And sportsman-like, 2 shots plus possession. Tama ba? 2 shots plus possession. Sportsman-like yan. There's one go by Sampang. Time remaining, 7 minutes 58. Shoot. Second one is, wala pa rin yan. Substitution, sige pasok na. Wala pa rin yan ang Team Lena. Rebukan, pulls the 3. Puts it in! Bilang lamang ng 7 points ang team. Dapat tingnan na. Evardo, inaharas ni Sampang. Evardo, to Boslen, 10 to shoot. Carlo pulls the 3. Puts it in! 3 points! Kuwira na. Wala. Recovered by the team. Tamang pa rin ang Team Lena. Drop pass to Balili. Wala yan. Rebound ng Team Lena. Humangit to JC Maranan. Penetrates. And a foul by Balili. Okay. Pag pumasok, mali. First one is good. Castro, pag pumasok, time out ng Team Lena. JC Maranan. Second one goal. Bola pa rin ng team. 6 minutes, 55-59 ang ating score. Drop pass to Evardo in the paint, spins, natapik, same ball, 13 to shoot. Boslen pulls the 3. Won't go. Rebound na yan ng team. Puts it in. 59-59. Boknoy. And a foul. Ay, Carlo. Time out tayo ha, time out. Time out Team Lena. Our score is 57-59. 59 in favor of Team Lena. Lamang 2 points.
Swerte na
Ang
bagsak.
Team Lena.
Swerte na bagsak.
We're now in the last quarter of this game. 6 minutes, 24 seconds left. And this time is brought to you by Coco Lemon. Easy Minimart. Isa na lang timeout ng Team Lena. Dalawa pa sa Team Dadpad. Isa na lang timeout niya. Back to the hard court. We only have 6 minutes, 24 seconds left. 57-59 in favor of Team Lena. Boktoy will be in the line for his bonus. The first one is good. 16. The second one is good. Arlo setting up the play. Looking for, finds Mendoza. 2. Manini. What a beautiful isolation. 59-61 ang ating score. Umira ng press, tinabukan, wala yan. Long pass to Mendoza. Mendoza. Gamit ng mabasahan. 14 to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. So, Ebardo, umikot. Inaharas. Ebardo, nawalang bola. Nakuha yan ng Team Lena. Libre-libre si Sampang. Kutsi. Umira. 3 points.
Wala kasing lamesa eh.
62-63 ang ating score. Alam mo. Ball number 20, Lena. Lena still. Bola pa rin ng Lena, number 3. We are now in the last quarter of this game. Our time is 4 minutes 57. 62-63 ang ating score. JC Maranan. Finds the bukan. Humangit. And the shoot. For Boktoy. Jumps. Overshoots. Nakuha yan na ng team. Dadpad. Team Dadpad. Arlo. Arlo. Arlo still. Finds Balili. Jumps in the paint. And a score.
Lamang na sila.
Lamang na ang Team Dadpad. 64-63. Boktoy. Usampang. Rejected. Kuha ng Team Dadpad. 4 minutes. Possession. To shoot. To Balili at the baseline. Dinaras ni Humangit. 5 to shoot. Mendoza pulls. Short. Rebound na yan ni Sampang. Nakuha yan ng Team Lena. Libre-libre si Rebukan. And a score. 65-64. Balik ang kalamangan sa Team Lena. 3 minutes 35. In this last quarter. And to shoot. Mendoza pulls the 3. Overshoots. Rebound na yan ng team. Balik mo sa 20 po. Wala pa rin yan. Ay, babalik mo rin. Substitution. Substitution.
Pahinga ako. Nasa 5 seconds na.
Lili. Fakes the 3. Forcing the offense. Wala yan. Rebound na yan ni Boktoy. Rebukan. Libre na naman. Puts it. 67-64. 3 minutes remaining here in this last quarter. And team Dadpad. Eduardo to Carlo. Fakes to Michael. Carlo still. 6 to shoot. Carlo forcing the offense shot. Wala yan. Rebound yung Mangit. Long pass to Rebogan. Rebogan, libre na naman. Wala yan. Recovered by Sampang. Forcing. And a foul. Timeout. Penalty situation na tayo. Penalty situation. Timeout. Team Gatbaan. Meron ba kayong tig-isang timeout? Both teams 64-67. Time remaining 2 minutes 32. This time is brought to you by Coca Lemon, AC Minimart, Shop More, and Camp Plato Reyes, our valued sponsors for this basketball league. Alright, back to the hard court. Our score 64-67 in favor of Team Lena. Penalty situation tayo. Sampang will be in the line for his bonus shot. The first one won't go.
Hindi siya makashoot lagi dyan.
Second one won't go. Zero. Bola na yan ng team. Indadbad. Michael Mendoza. Close 3. Rebound na natin. Humangit. Nagmamadali. Humangit. By Sampa. Puts it in. What a beautiful isolation. And a score by Sampa. Humangit to Sampa. Eduardo finds Carlo. The baseline. Drop pass to Balili in the paint. Michael. 10 seconds to shoot. Michael forcing the offense. Puts it in. 66-69 ang ating scores. Lamang pa rin ang team Lena. 16 to shoot, 1 minute 38 remaining in this last quarter. 10 to shoot. AC Maranan finds Boktoy. Boktoy plus a 3, one goal, save for possession. Okay lang yun, wala, napindot lang. Okay, found in the ball. 66-69, 1 minute 22. Team Lena is burning the time. JC Maranan fakes in the paint, nawala ang bola. Nakuha ni Carlo, 1 minute. To Michael, libre, puts it in. 68-69, isa na lang ang malamangan ng Team Lena. Kepukan still. Penalty tayo. And to shoot. Kepukan, drop pass to. Casey Maranan, nawala ang bola. Nakuha yan ng team. Dodge pass. 68-69. Mendoza puts it in. Time out.
Tatlo.
Lamang ng 1 point.
Doble ba?
Team Dodgeball.
Bakit na lang?
70 lang. Kaya naman.
2 points pala. 72-69.
70 lang. 70 lang,
70 lang napindot lang.
70, sorry. 70 lang yan. Napindot lang. 70 lang. Sorry. 70 yan. Sakto. 70. 76 na. Naman kayo isa. Isa lang naman. Isa lang. Sorry. 70-69. That's the official score. Nasobrahan lang ang pindot. Isa na timeout. Wala nang timeout ang Team Lena. Isang timeout ang Dodgeball. 24 seconds remaining. Penalty situation. Penalty na ang ano. Lena. Penalty. Hindi pa. Kayo, isa pa lang.
Pumaw lang ko lang.
Oh. Ilang penalty? Kayo, hindi pa. Oo.
Basta yun siguro sa foul pa lang sila. Saan yan? Pumaw lang ko lang.
Pag nakapawi kayo, penalty kayo.
Ganda ng laban.
Kayo, yung Lena, penalty na yan.
Oras na yan.
24 seconds tayo.
Kailangan ma-shoot nila.
Bukan. Sampang! Wow! Beautiful isolation! Time out! Biglang lamang ng 1 point ang Team Lena. We only have 20 seconds left in this fourth quarter. Second pick foul pa lang ang Team Lena. Penalty ng Team Dotbat. Seconds left in this fourth quarter. Ang ganda ng laban ng dalawang team na to. 70-71 in favor of Team Lena. Both teams wala ng timeout. 20 seconds na lang. Kakaroon pa yata ng overtime to. Eduardo inbounding the ball. Inaharas si Balili. And a steal! And a foul. Penalty situation na. Penalty situation. Who's foul up? Eduardo. Wala na. Both teams wala ng timeout. 15 seconds remaining. Boktoy will be in the line for his bonus.
Ma-shoot na yan.
The first one is good. Second one is good. Substitution. Wala ng timeout ha. Both teams, wala ng timeout.
3 points nila yan.
And ang team, 3 points na lang. Balili. And a foul by Rebukan. Foul number 3. Rebukan.
Yan ang laro na to.
Wala pa, isa pa lang. Isa na lang. Penalty na kayo. Isa na lang. 10 seconds lang tayo. 70-73.
3 points.
Setting up. Nakataking ang bola. 7 to shoot. Same ball possession tayo. Same ball possession. Bola pa rin ng Team Dotbat.
Time.
Ayan si Boktoy. 2 seconds. Overtime tayo.
Overtime pa.
Ang ganda ng laban.
Time.
Nakasit pa yun? Yung kasabi ko, ang ganda ng laban ha.
Overtime 5 minutes pa. 5 minutes pa yan.
Overtime tayo.
Ano ba yan?
Ang laban. Mahirap na tres. Paso keeper. Si Mendoza.
Boss, bato na yun yun. Rep, ayusin mo tayo oras.
Oh, 5 minutes extension tayo. Sakto na yan.
Gusto tayo maglakay ha. Penalty nito.
Same ball, same ring pa rin. No, same ring. Same ha. Penalty parehas na. Penalty parehas. Ay, isa pa kayo no. Team Dotbat. Isa pa. Oh, pero yung Team Lena, penalty na yan. Alright. Overtime, 73, deadlock tayo. We have an extension of 5 minutes. Boktoy, tumumangit, trap pass to Sampang. At the baseline, puts it in. What a beautiful jump by Sampang.
Ayaw magpatalo pareho.
Mendoza, setting up the play. Penetrates and a steal by Sampang. Libre. Puts it in. And team. Chadbach. Michael hinaras. Forcing the offense. Short ang tira. Bola na yan ng team. Boktoy. Spins in the paint. Penetrates. Short. Recovered. And a steal by Maranan. Maranan steal. Rebugan. Sampang. In the paint. Rejected by Tatbat team. To Mendoza. Libre. Mendoza. Rejected by Humangit. 77-73. Boktoy hesitates, penetrates, puts it in. What a beautiful isolation and a score by Boktoy. 79-73. Michael, drop pass to Balili at the baseline. Short. Rebound ni Boktoy. Boktoy. Inaras ni Mendoza. Boktoy spins, cooking, penetrating. Jumps, puts it in. Ganda ang galaw. Boktoy. 73-84. Balili pulls the three from the downtown. Overshoots. Rebound by the team Lena. Boktoy. Milking the time. Meron kayo tigisang timeout. Meron kayo tigisang timeout. Number 3, Rebuka, need the paint, penetrates, and a score! Ay, wala yan. Hindi pala na siya. Timeout ba? Timeout? Substitution mo na, substitution. Walang timeout. Substitution na. Who's foul rep? Number 3. Our score is 73-81. 2 minutes 42 in this overtime. The first one go. Bukan for the second one is good. 82-73. And a steal by the team Lena. Bukan cooking and a steal by Abardo. Libre si Mendoza. And a score by Mendoza. 75-82. 2 minutes 20 seconds. Rebugan to Sampa. JC Maranan. Milking the time. 30 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Boktoy. 8 to shoot. Penetrate. And a steal. And there's a foul committed by number 2. Eduardo. Walang pumasok sa free throw. Warning Eduardo. Third personal foul. Mendoza pulls the tee again. Puts it in. Ayan na naman si Mendoza sa kanyang mainit na kamay. 78-82 ang ating score. And a steal pa rin lang Eduardo. Wala, in and out. Recovered by the team Lena. Sampang. Hinaras ni Carlo. To JC Maranan, 1 minute 35, 14 to shoot. To Boktoy, 78-82, dumidikit pa rin ang score. Boktoy behind the back dribble. Wala yan, nakuha yan ng team. Wala pa rin, nakuha ang Dadbad. Team Dadbad, pinasa kay Mendoza, libre. Nalagay yung bola, second possession, out of bounds. 1 minute, 11 seconds, 78-82 ang ating score. Eduardo finds Balini at the baseline, puts it in. 80-82 ang Wala yan. Nakuha pa rin ang Team Dagbat. And a steal by the Team Lena. Rebukan. Wala bola. Foul by Palili. Rebukan will be the line for his bonus. 51 seconds remaining is time period. And the first one goal. The second one is goal.
3-point na naman.
49 seconds na lang tayo. Glenn, penetrates. Finds Banani. And a foul. 25. Umangit. Malili. Penalty na yan. Malili will be the line. Malili will be the line for his bonus. The first one. What goal? The second one is, wala pa rin yan. Recovered by Mendoza. Wala pa rin. Kuha na lang ang Team Lena. Team Lena. JC Maranan. JC Maranan. Milking the time. Libre na naman si Samuel. Walang bola. Out of bounds, turnover. Our score, 88-3 in favor of Team Lena. 25 seconds to shoot na lang tayo. Nice steal yan ng Team Lena. Humangit. Usapang. Irebukan. And a foul by Glenn.
Ay, 14 seconds na lang pala.
88-3. Irebukan will be securing the victory for tonight's game. 14 seconds na lang tayo. The first one is 88-4 at the score. 14 seconds left. Alright. Meron pang isang timeout Team Dadat. Pag pumasok, timeout. And the second one, Team Dadat. 80-85 at the score. 14 seconds left in this overtime period between Team Lena and Team Dadat.
Padala mo na lang sa atay mo yung sapatos. Mamaya pa naman eh. Second game pa naman.
Our next game for tonight will be between Team Bowlers Boys and Team Moro. And this time is brought to you by Couple Lemon, Shop Water, Easy to the Heart, and Couple Reyes. The hard court. Alright, back to the hard court tayo. We only have 40 seconds left in the last overtime period. Substitution was an exciting game between these two incredible teams. Mendoza. Carlo pulls. Recovered. Carlo pulls. Short pa rin. Recovered. To Carlo still. For the three. Wala pa rin. Carlos. And a score. And that ends tournament 82-85. What a beautiful game. And our best player for tonight will be number 19, Sam. Congratulations, Lena.